AI has been there from very long.
Mhm.
It is not new.
Mhm.
It's just the generative AI has taken a lot of prominent space right now. But we have advised our clients in a way that generative AI is not an answer to every problem.
Right.
AI is a good at some of the user experience, productivity related tools
Mhm.
where kind of question response scenarios are much better handled.
Mhm.
But a lot of business processes still need uh, automation,
Mhm.
and that automation comes from the true AI, where your analytics, data science, machine learning are together giving you insights in a way that your process is enabled to take action based on those insights, which is what normally happens. As we as a human intelligence, we are basing our decisions based on sometimes all that information.
Mhm.
And that is what we want to look at the agentic transformation. Through the AI agentic transformation, you are really looking at taking automation to the next level. We already had the era of robotic process automation as an RPA, where we really looked at how processes can be automated. Right. What you are bringing in here is the advancement in the technology with the machine learning and AI. Now your insights are much more finer, much more faster, and much more based on wider data set that earlier was not possible.
Mhm.
So automotive industry in itself is definitely going through a lot of disruption with electric vehicles coming in, with global supply chain as well as different tariffs and all those situations, making it very complex scenario where already it is feeling the pressure on the overall manufacturing systems that they need to be transforming, because a lot of the OEMs that we work with have in the manufacturing domain a lot of systems which are legacy systems. Right. And now you need to catch up with a lot of advancement in the areas where you have ability to give the decision support systems or the intelligent systems as you call. So in that phase, lot of R&D initiatives can be fast tracked with AI, with generative AI aspect from design or the supplier selection process. Coming down to the overall cycle of your design to concept vehicle or the prototype vehicle to the actual SOP or the production launch dates. All that process also has an ability to do the very kind of tailored monitoring systems as per your needs, so that you are really following on the schedule. And once you really get to that point, it's definitely the manufacturing domain where now you are producing the vehicles. And that area has a lot of potential based on the machine data that is coming in, where you can then go through the AI and ML systems to really make sure that you have very well healthy production lines. And by means of that, you need to make sure that your downtime is minimized. And we have built systems fully computer vision based as well as AI based systems, where we are looking at predicting the failures to help the machines or assets predictive maintenance. We also have built solutions where we are really looking at minimizing the time it takes to repair those machines by virtue of the repair assistant or the repair agent that we have, and also taking that down that data now further, where now you are really looking at the overall throughput, overall performance of the production lines. So IoT data as well as the technology with the AML and computer vision has a potential to improve the overall manufacturing process, assist the plant management, plant supervisor, plant engineers, all of them, to make sure that they are operating the lines at the fullest capacity and fullest possible throughput. And when we come out of manufacturing, definitely starts your upfront demand planning and then sales process, where a lot of these elements where you had a legacy way of processing the demand, where you are really looking at very high level forecast, but now you are able to go down to the granular level pro, which kind of you can take it down to the different regions within your sales regions that you have. And once those vehicles are definitely sold, you are looking at the customer satisfaction, the product quality, the warranty. All that areas are also much more having ability to take the help of the technology where we are building already a warranty systems with the AI enablement to help improve the warranty process efficiency, as well as look at optimizing the cost that you spend on warranty, because that's a huge ticket item when it comes to the OEM or the automotive industry.